made a mess. That's probably going on the front. Season's greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. We explore weird and forgotten drinks and other many nice keys. I am your host, Corey. So, these little things right here. These were a staple at my parents' house growing up. We would get them in every stocking. These are my old stockings from growing up. I think Mom still buys them. These are chocolate-covered cherries. And this is it brings back memories. But what if I told you you could have this in liquid form? Well, I found this cocktail book called Holiday Cocktails by Nick Maltone. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. And he even has the simplest version of a chocolate-covered cherry cordial, because you probably won't drink it too much because it's real sweet, but it's really good. As I always say, I'm not a bartender. Don't take this as bartending advice. So let's make a cocktail. All right, this cocktail is easy peasy. It's just 2 ingredients, equal parts. It's dark cream de cacao and cherry heering. So 1/2 ounces of dark cream de cacao. 1/2 ounces of cherry heering. And here you just give it a stir. Getting better, a little bit better. Almost getting better. And looks like we're getting chilled. And if this ain't the most Christmassy martini glass you've ever seen, I don't know what is. Although I think it's going to be a pain to hold, but that's fine. And it says use a maraschino cherry. It's not really fitting in there that well. There we go. And now, my friends, a chocolate covered cherry. I mean, it is sweet. You probably don't want to drink a lot of these. I bet you can mix some cream with this and kind of thin it out a little bit. Probably go well, or some other cream liqueurs like rum chata or something. But yeah, that is that's a whole lot of sugar just coming in. But these are too. If you ever had them, they are a feast full of sugar. Well, y'all know what to do. Until next time, cheers.